Namaste, everyone.
Namaste.
Namaste. I want to extend a warm welcome to all the students of Raga Academy of Indian Music who have agreed to join in this yogathon for Surya Namaskar at a very short notice. Thank you so much. Today is a very auspicious day, as we all know. Today is International Day of Yoga, which was declared an international festival by the United Nations in 2014. And today marks the sixth annual International Day of Yoga. So, Raga Academy of Indian Music students and their parents will be participating in sun salutations. And I want to, before we begin, I want to share something with you all. I have made a short PowerPoint presentation. As you all know, I have a non-profit organization called Vish Korani Foundation, um, through which I am presenting these sessions called Heal with Hira. So, when the coronavirus pandemic broke, I had this idea of reaching out to the community to make connections from the comfort of my home and their home. So, sometimes yoga classes are offered and other sessions are offered. This morning, we had a different session on Shavasana Dhyan. I hope you'll check it out. So, what are the objectives of the Vishwakarana Foundation, which was established in 2016 in the memory of my parents? Our objectives are many: promote the culture of India, organize lectures and demos, organize fundraisers for the needy people, provide scholarships to the needy, promote alternate therapies of yoga, Ayurveda, and plant based living. So we have been doing a lot of good work. As I already mentioned, today marks the International Day of Yoga, Yoga for Harmony and Peace of Body and Mind. So today we are going to do Surya Namaskar Yogathon, meaning a series of sun salutations. And as I mentioned, this is being led by students of Indian music, Raga Academy of Indian Music, and their parents. My own parents, Vishnu and Shashikala Kurane, after whom the foundation, the NGO has been established, they were practitioners of yoga. And I still remember one of my father's friends, his name was P.N. Oak. He is very well known in India. He has done a lot of research on ancient monuments and written some books on yoga and things like that. So he used to do 100 Surya Namaskars every single day. Can you believe that? 100 Surya Namaskars every single day.
Oh my goodness.
And when I
Amazing.
met him, I took my son to see him in India. I think it was the early 1990s. He was 80 years old, but all his hair was black. He was not wearing any glasses. I was wearing glasses, although I was much, much younger than him. So he always attributed his good health to Surya Namaskar. And in fact, if you do not have time to do any other yoga postures, if you just do Surya Namaskar every day regularly, not one round though, you have to do many rounds to get the maximum benefit. You do not have to do any other exercise. You do not have to go to gym even. So these are a series of 12 yoga postures, best done at sunrise. It's a warm-up routine. If you do it fast, it serves as a great cardiovascular workout. If you do it slowly, these postures help tone our muscles, and they work on our energy centers, which are chakras located throughout our body. It gives you strength, vitality, and flexibility to our bodies. And here are all the 12 yoga postures. As you can see, the dots are all the different chakras that a different position is activating. I'm going to invite one of our students, Siddharth, and his dad, Parag Katiji, and they are going to open our session with a prayer.
Let's stand up, everybody, for the Surya Namaskar. Let's start. Stand up in a Surya Namaskar Siddhi, position 1, and then Siddharth will start with the starting prayer.
ध्येयः सदा सवित्रमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिजासन सन्निविष्टः केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हरिहिरण्मय वपुर्धृत शङ्खचक्रः ॐ मित्राय नमः.
Everyone can repeat.
ॐ मित्राय नमः.
एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ 10. ओम रवये नमः.
ॐ रवये नमः.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ओम सूर्याय नमः.
ॐ सूर्याय नमः.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ओम भानवे नमः.
ॐ भानवे नमः.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ओम खगाय नमः.
ॐ खगाय नमः.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ओम पूष्णे नमः.
ॐ पूष्णे नमः.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Atharva, you want to continue?
ओम आदित्याय नमः.
ॐ आदित्याय नमः.
1 2 4 5 6 7 10. ओम मरीचये नमः.
ॐ मरीचये नमः.
1 2 4 8
Om Harkaya Namaha.
नमः
एक चार पाँच छः आठ नौ ओम सवित्रे नमः
ॐ सवित्रे नमः
एक तीन चार पाँच छः सात आठ नौ
What is the next one?
Bhaskaraya Namaha.
ओम भास्कराय नमः
Om
ॐ भास्कराय नमः
एक आठ आठ नौ दस ओम श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः
ॐ श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः
एक दो चार आठ छः सात आठ आदित्यस्य नमस्कारान्
Aditasya Namaskar.
नमस्कारम्
ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने
Ye kurvanti dine dine.
आयुर्प्रज्ञाबलवीर्यं
आयुर्प्रज्ञाबलं वीर्यं
तेजस्तेषां च जायते
Tejas
तेषां च जायते
Wonderful job, everyone did so great. And actually, it was going kind of fast, but I was watching everyone, and everyone was doing it with so much enthusiasm and lot of focus. Wonderful. Thank you to Atharv and Siddharth for leading everyone in this yogathon for Surya Namaskar. Thank you so much. Could you all say your names so we can find out? We'll start with Teju.
Namaste, my name is Teju Bhavsar and with me I have
Vidhi Bhavsar and Siddhi Bhavsar.
thank you.
Thank you for joining today. I'll go to Paragji.
Namaste, myself Parag Kate, and I have
Siddharth.
Siddharth and Soham.
Thank you for joining us today. And Nita, introduce yourself.
Namaste, my name is Neeta Thorson. I'm a student of Hira Didi. Thank you. I had a great time.
Wonderful. Atharv and Dikti, introduce yourselves.
Namaste, I'm Athar's mom, Deepti Karan Shukla.
And they are kind of my adopted family. We are all plant-based and we have a lot of connections there. Let's hear from Namrata.
We are blessed to have
So Namrata, you have been doing a lot of yoga asanas. When did you start learning?
So originally I started learning when I was in school. So we had a yoga subject when I was in school in India, and we had like exams every year. So we had to learn poses for that. And then after that, I had kind of a break. And then like actively, I again started 3 years ago or 4 years ago. So yeah.
Very good. How about Riddhi and Siddhi and Teju? I forgot to ask. How long have you been doing yoga?
I learned when I was in college, and but recently we started from last 2 to 3 years. We have been doing it on and off. We do yoga.
Riddhi and Siddhi join you also?
Yes, yeah.
Very good, very good. Let's see, hear from Neeta.
Yes, I just recently started about when the corona happened, like about 3 months ago, and I decided I had a free time in the morning, so I wanted to kind of keep my health, keep going. So I thought maybe yoga and meditation is a great for me. So I started recently.
This is the best time actually to pick up
Yeah.
something that is going to help you in the long run. Do you feel energetic and healthy?
I feel very, very great, Didi. I really appreciate what I'm doing right now, and I won't quit. I do Surya Namaskar every day for 15 minutes, and I do meditation, and I just started doing Zumba in the morning today, so I do 3 things.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining today. Let's hear from Athar and Deepti. How long have you been practicing yoga?
I've been doing yoga for 9 or 10 years.
Nice.
Yeah. Almost.
Deepti?
So I learned yoga from Akhil Bharati Yog Sansthan in India 20 years ago after college, and then I've also attended Baba Ramdev's Shivir. Most recently, I learned from Isha, and I've been doing it on and off for the last several years.
That's great.
I've
We
also-
all know that.
I've also taught in places in the orphanage in Bangalore for a long time and other places.
Okay, that's wonderful that all of you are involved in practicing yoga. We all know that it's a self-healing practice. You can overcome so many chronic conditions and diseases by the practice of by practicing yoga, pranayam, and all the related activities. Um, I'm going to share my screen again. So we did all the 12 postures. The only thing different in your method was that you were probably not counting some of the postures that in traditional yoga sessions we count. So we start at the Namaskar Mudra. Then we go to the back bend and the forward bend. Then we have Ashwa Sanchalanasana, forward lunge. I saw you were doing that. Then we have the Dandasana or the staff pose. We have Ashtang Namaskar. Then we have Bhujangasana, and it goes on. So what was missing in your practice?
We don't go back in the end, and then we did not count this as the first pose.
Yeah, we didn't count the
I
first
see.
pose. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Should be something
Yeah.
which is missing.
We
which is
did,
go up,
I think we
don't
missed
do it all.
2 things.
right. In traditional practice, that this is how I do it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I do this one back bend 2 times, and we count the first one also, Namaskarasana also.
Mm.
Okay. Slightly different, but it was good. It was very good. So today also happens to be the World Music Day. Isn't that wonderful? And we also have Father's Day today. So many good things are happening in one day, and that's very, very exciting. So what I thought of doing was um, bring out a song that we have been singing for quite a few years, and it also is very befitting to the current times when we are fighting the coronavirus, when there are so many protests happening all over the world for Black Lives Matter.
Right.
And it's also for yoga day, and the song is called "We Shall Overcome." So I'm going to start my other screen, share my song that I've selected. Let's see, I have to highlight that. Welcome to Elizabeth. Elizabeth, are you there?
Yes.
Elizabeth is joining us for singing the song, and we also have Prisha and Ritu.
Hello,
there.
everybody.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you,
Elizabeth.
Iraji.
Okay. So when we start singing, you all have to unmute yourselves. Um, Get up my PowerPoint. Okay, there we are. Now I can share my screen, the song. There we are. So actually, some of us don't know that this song called "We Shall Overcome" or "Honge Kamayab" is based on an African American hymn. It's called an African American freedom song. It has been adapted from a hymn written by Charles Albert Tindley. "We Shall Overcome" is a gospel song which became a protest song and a key anthem of the civil rights movement. This song is most commonly attributed as being lyrically descended from "I Will Overcome Someday," a hymn by Charles Albert Tindley that was first published in 1900, long time ago. This song has been translated in many different languages of the world. It is also sung in India. It's very popular song. Almost everyone knows this song. And in India, it's called Hum Honge Kamayab. We are going to succeed one day. All right, so let me start my Tanpura. I'm using A sharp. What should we start with, English version or Hindi version? Let's start with English version so more people can understand, and then we'll keep alternating between Hindi and English. We'll start with English, then Hindi, and then so on. We'll keep going. Sa we shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand. We'll walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall again someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall live in peace someday. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we are not afraid. We are not afraid today. हम होंगे कामयाब,
हम होंगे
कामयाब,
हम होंगे
कामयाब एक दिन।
मन में
विश्वास
पूरा
है विश्वास, हम होंगे
कामयाब
एक दिन। I would like each one of you to sing the first line,
Okay.
either in Hindi or English. I'm going to start with Teju's group. All of you.
Okay.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Let's go to Siddharth's group.
होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Let's go to Atharv and Deepti.
होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Elizabeth, can you sing the English version?
Okay.
We shall.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Very good. Thank you. Namrata, unmute.
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Prisha and Ritu.
होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Let us all sing. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome today, someday.
Very nice.
Thank you all for joining.
Thank you.
I just want to show you one slide to thank the Raga Academy of Indian Music students. If I can find my slides. I'm not sure if I can start it or not, but I'll just, something happened here. I have to stop this, I guess. Anyway, there we are. We have two screens. There. I want to thank all the Raga Academy students and their parents for coming today at a very, very short notice and joining this session of Surya Namaskar Yogathon and the World Music Day. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. And you're welcome.
And hopefully we'll all continue with your musical practice, get good singers, and also do yoga. Make it a part of your everyday life.
Thank you,
Again,
Didi.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Hiraji, for the opportunity.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for your opportunity. I had a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Didi. See
Thank
you.
you.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Nice seeing you all.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Nice to see you
Bye.
all too. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.